nag-order ni Tim para sa kuha iPhone 16 Pro Max 512 gigabytes. So excited na kayo po. Gipili na ko ang 512 kay mahilig mag-video, mag-picture. So at least nag-shade ako nga storage para sa kuha pag-video. Oh wow! So mao ni siya nga phone, iPhone 16 Pro Max 512 gigabytes. So ganahan ko ani kay dako pa siya nga storage, mahilig mag-video, mag-picture. So at least di na ko magsili o install o uninstall sa akong FB apps o di ka messengers. Mag-unboxing ta na medyo dako ang iya ang screen. Na siya pakapin nga cable, and then muna yung phone mo niyang akong gipili nga color. That looks like rose gold. So this one, so nice siya, gaan lang. And then this one, wow. So ganahan ko sa iyang color, and then smooth kayo siya. So palito na lang ako ng casing. So what you ko nag-expect nga maka-try ko o maka-experience ko aning iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thank you so much sa pang husband sa paghatag ani nga phone, and na ko pang video and then photo kung asa ko paingon everyday kung gustong picturean or videohan. Thank you so much, hubby, for this. I'm so happy and I really appreciate this advance gift, birthday gift gikan sa imo.
You're very welcome. You're very welcome.
Oh, English. I have to set this one English. And then United States. Continue. Choose how you would like text and icon to log in. Continue. Quick start. Set up without another device.
Oh, if you had a old iPhone, you could put it next to it and it copies.
So next is Wi-Fi network. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Continue. Set up for myself. Continue.
Good, yeah. This idea is good.
Okay. Face ID. Accessibility. Scanning. Move your head slowly to complete the circle. Almost done. Follow the arrow.
Not bad.
Face ID is now set up.
Nice.
Continue.
Yeah.
Oh, create an iPhone password.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Timmy.
We'll do it at the store.
Apple account. Enter or phone number.
Oh, you have to create an app, your first Apple account.
Email address.
Yeah.
Okay. We continue. Turn on location. Transfer from nearby iPhone. Set up later in settings.
Later. Yeah.
Skip eSIM card setup.
Yes.
Continue screen time. Share with Apple.
Maybe don't share.
Don't share. Light or dark display.
Just do auto.
Auto.
Try auto.
Continue. Camera control.
Action button. Action button is new to the 16. See all those options? Swipe. It's showing you all the things you can do with that button. You could do translator, quick, recognize music, voice memo, flashlight, camera. Well, I wasn't recording any of that. Yeah, just showing you all the options.
Continue.
Yeah. What do you want her to do?
Classic and live recognition. Lots of options.
Maybe you could choose it later. Just pick one. You could change it later. Continue. Oh,
Siri. Next.
she'll learn your voice. Yeah.
Continue.
Yeah.
Type to Siri.
It's just training. It's just you, teaching you.
Type to Siri. Double. How's the weather? Set up later. Share audio recordings. Not now?
No.
Continue. That's all set up, Timmy.
Yeah.
Welcome to iPhone.
Finally.
Thank you so much, Timmy. Thanks, Sabi, for this. Thanks for the advance birthday gift.
You're welcome.
Oh, nice. Finally, done set up.